So now beginning with the Professional Achievement Awards. Firstly, I would like to call Dr. Deepa Pasi, who's an MBBS, MD Pediatrics, and a pediatric neonatologist. She's a distinguished pediatrician and neonatologist with 29 plus years of experience. She has been instrumental in advancing child healthcare and as IAP Noida President 2008. She's an award-winning Apollo specialist, acclaimed author, and global educator, and she continues to shape the future of pediatrics.
Of course, ma'am. भैया photo अच्छे से आ गया ना?
Okay, I'm using the paper, please don't mind it. Please go on. Yeah. Good evening, all of you. All are achievers in my eyes. And my gratitude to one special place for giving me this honor. And I'm eternally grateful to all of you who are present here. Now, 8th March is celebrated as the Women's Day world over. And it is about celebrating grace, strength, and resilience. My question to all of you present here: when all these beautiful divas work 24/7, 365 days, then why celebrate just one day and the whole year? Why not celebrate every day of your precious life? The theme of this year's Women's Day is Acceleration Action, which emphasizes the urgent need to take decisive steps, achieving gender equality, addressing the slow pace of progressing, and empowering women and girls worldwide. Remember, a woman is a full circle. Within her is the power to create, nurture, and transform. They are the largest untapped reservoir of talent in the world. Empower a woman and you can uplift an entire community. A woman is like a tea bag. You can't read how strong she is unless you put her in hot waters. Hence, when we talk about gender equality, it's time we all see gender as a spectrum instead of two sets of ideals. When women and adolescent girls have equal rights and opportunities, their families, communities, and the nation prosper. Equality, opportunity, and respect define the unstoppable spirit of empowered women. Gender equality is not all about a women's issue, it's a human issue. It affects us all. Strong women lift each other up without the left hand knowing what the right hand is doing. So today, let's take pledge to not only dream big, but strive towards it to achieve it. She knows no bounds. She is indeed an unstoppable force. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Patricia. Thank you for all the honor and all the entire thing.
Thank you, Siva ma'am. Honored to have you here with us today.
Yes.
Thank you so
and
much.
Honored amongst all of you achievers.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Deepa ma'am. Next up, we have Carol Paul, who's the founder and director of ZIV Center for Child Development and Intervention Services and Sale Charitable Trust. She's a senior educator and leader in the special needs sector for 27 years. She has shaped inclusive education policies. She has pioneered the NIOS open school curriculum and founded the Tara Apartments, an independent living home for young women and special needs. Congratulations.
Thank you, Carol.
Thank you, everybody. Now, I'd like to call Dr. Sonali Kataria, who's an MBBS, MD, fellow in pediatrics, and the founder of Sunrise Learning Foundation. She's an autism specialist and an ex-AIMS consultant. She's a two-time TEDx speaker, social activist, and proud mother of an autistic child. And she still champions inclusion and support for individuals with special needs. Congratulations.
I owe a beautiful speech. Next time, I'm sure you're going to make it. My voice is going to bounce back with your support.
Yes, we're going to help you with that. Now, what I would like to say a few words about Sonali ma'am and my personal interaction with her.
I think she's one woman who has inspired me personally, because not only is she a revered doctor herself, but she's also a mother of an autistic child. And what courage she has had over these years in setting up a foundation like Sunrise Learning, and the immense ecosystem that you have brought up in Noida, in Uttar Pradesh, and you have been awarded multiple times for being the best special school around. So all kudos to you, ma'am. Thank you. You are a huge inspiration.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All of us are. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So next up we have Mrs. Ranjana Bhargav, who is the director and principal of the Little Scholar Play School Daycare and Activity Center. Ma'am has founded the Little Scholar Play School, and she's the director since 1989. She has shaped early education and with inclusive learning and excellence, earning recognition among India's top 100 preschools.
I would like to say a few words about Pratiksha that I know her for last 15 years, and I knew that someday she's going to do really something big. She showed the signs very early.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
I knew it that you will do something good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So the next awardee is Mrs. Neela Gupta, who couldn't be here with us, but I would request one of her colleagues to please take the award on her behalf. She is a master's in speech language pathology, and she has been working for more than 23 years and has transformed lives by diagnosing and treating communication and learning disorders. She's the co-author of Educating Children with Learning Problems, and she champions evidence-based inclusion.
Neela, ma'am, I'm sure you'll watch this video. We miss you today, but I hope we can, you can come back next year, and we will be happy to honor you again. Thank you.
Ma'am, if you could be here. Next is Taru ma'am, who holds a master's degree in occupational therapy, and she's the co-founder of Angels Foundation. She's a pediatric occupational therapist with 20 years of expertise and empowers neurodiverse children. She brings global training in sensory integration and has shaped futures through academia.
I will just take one moment to acknowledge this woman who has brought a lot of difference in my life by teaching me tele-rehabilitation. In 2010 when she approached me, I didn't know how OT, occupational therapy, can be done online. And Pratiksha is the one who had taught me tele-rehabilitation. So thank you, Pratiksha.
Thank you. Thank you. Your words mean so much. Very motivational. Thank you so much.
Okay, now I would like to call Mrs. Kamaldeep Kaur, who has a master's and MPhil, and she's a special educator and counselor. Kamaldeep ma'am is a special educator with nearly 2 decades of experience. She empowers diverse learners through IEPs, adaptive curricula, and multisensory teaching. Currently, she mentors educators, integrates assistive technology, and drives inclusive education. Congratulations. Next up we have Mrs. Akansha Dodwal, who holds a bachelor's degree in occupational therapy. She's an occupational therapist with 18 plus years of experience, transforming learning spaces to support every child's unique needs. She's passionate about holistic development and empowers parents and educators.
Thank you, Akansha. Thank you.
I'd like to call Mrs. Shweta Karoli, who holds a master's degree in speech language pathology and audiology. She's a senior speech therapist and audiologist with 17 plus years of experience and has served at Dr. RML and Max hospitals. Now at the Hans Foundation, she empowers individuals with disabilities through transformative care.
Thank you so much.
So now moving to the Personal Achievement Award winners, we proudly felicitate the following credible mothers and clients from across the globe. They are present with us virtually here, and the professionals from 1SP, they have been and are still continuing to serve these clients. I request the members of One Special Place to take the awards on their behalf. First up we have Mrs. Tamil Selvi.
So these are our clients, our mothers who are based all across the globe, and we started this entire movement to honor the mothers who are behind children making a difference in their lives. So first is Ms. Tamil Selvi, and I request Harshita to take the award on her behalf.
Now I'd like to call Miss Unnati to take the award for Niluja Punnaya.
We'll be posting them their trophies.
Next up is Pragati Rai.
Your client? Anjali, why don't you take?
Next we have Mrs. Alexander. And we have Mrs. Kushi Babi.
So as I said, these mothers are not here with us because they are all connected with us virtually. And this year we've chosen 5 mothers.
That's my client's mother.
And please take one photograph.
I've taken already.
No, please take.
For her as well. You can share it with her.
Yeah.
Now we'd like to felicitate our chief guest of the day as well. We express our heartfelt gratitude to you, and I'd like to invite Pratiksha ma'am to felicitate her.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for.
It's been absolute honor, and how can we felicitate you?
No, I think all of you can make it. Spare your Sunday to be with us here, and your gracious presence has been my victory today. So thanks to each of you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So as we come close to today's celebration, I would like to take a moment to reflect on what we have witnessed together. What an incredible journey it has been, one filled with inspiration, pride, and undeniable power of women. We've had the privilege of honoring some truly remarkable women. And to conclude today's event, I'd like to call Miss Harshita Malani, who is a counselor and a special educator at One Special Place, for the vote of thanks.
I would like to take this opportunity. To express my sincere gratitude to everyone who made today's event possible. A heartfelt thank you to our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Pooja, for taking the time to be with us and leading such a wonderful session. Your presence has truly enriched this occasion. I also extend my gratitude to Mrs. Pratiksha Gupta for her warm welcome and for bringing us all together today. To our incredible guests, the inspiring women who attended the One Special Woman Awards, your presence is a testament to strength, resilience, and brilliance that women bring to every sphere of our life. Each of you represent a story of courage and determination, and we are privileged to celebrate you. To our winners, congratulations. Your achievements remind us that when women lift each other up, we create ripples of change that go far beyond ourselves. A heartfelt thank you also to the many patrons and supporters who work behind the scenes, empowering us, believing in our mission, and making our journey stronger and more impactful. A special acknowledgement to Mrs. Pratiksha Gupta, the founder of One Special Place and the visionary behind this initiative, whose passion and dedication continue to inspire us all. And to Mrs. Veena, our head of admin, whose hard work and commitment ensure that everything runs smoothly. Your efforts are truly valued. And lastly, to the woman in each of us, the nurturer, the fighter, the dreamer, and the achiever. May we always honor her, support her, and let her voice be heard. Thank you all for being part of this celebration.
Thank you, Harshita ma'am, for the vote of thanks. that marks the end of our formal event for today. Now we'd like you to invite you for the high tea and keep the conversations going that we have sparked today.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
For the
Yes.
yes.